The planet Cronus. Beset on all sides by the tides of war, this once quiet colony became a savage battlefield. 7 armies clashed on this one world, each refusing to back down. Each convinced it was in the right. From beneath the sands of Cronus' central desert came the Necrons. Ancient machines bent on eradicating all life. But another evil already had its eyes on the planet. From the depths of the warp, the demonic forces of chaos arrived to enforce their claim. To oppose these fearsome powers, the planet's rulers in the Tau Empire sent their elite soldiers and sophisticated battlesuits into the fray. From the mighty Imperium of Man came the Imperial Guard, there to secure Cronus for the glory of the God Emperor. Like a green tide, the Orc Horde descended on Cronus, caring little for others' claims and sowing destruction in its wake. The Eldar, ancient enemies of the Necrons, emerged from their webway to pursue their own agenda on Cronus. And last came the Space Marines, finest and most uncompromising of the Imperium's soldiers. Seeing a world beset by aliens and heretics, they undertook a great purge. A dark crusade had begun. It could only end with the total victory of one of these factions, and the total defeat of all others. The Space Marines of the Blood Ravens chapter arrived on Cronus like the mailed fist of the Emperor. Acting under orders from his chapter master and chief librarian, young brother Captain Davian Thule ordered the Blood Ravens to carry out a thorough purge of this world. The chapter master had told Thule that ancient relics of the chapter were hidden on Cronus. Artifacts from the mysterious early years of the Blood Ravens. These sacred items could not be allowed to fall into alien hands. Captain Thule ordered the withdrawal of the Imperial Guard forces stationed in Victory Bay. But Governor Alexander flatly refused to pull his men back. Thule judged the governor a good man, but had little choice but to send his Space Marines to battle the governor's troops, along with all the other powers on Cronus. The Blood Ravens' willingness to fight soldiers of the Imperium did not go unnoticed. Whispers began that the relics on Cronus were more damning than holy. Only the war's victors would be left to decide the truth of the matter.
Welcome to the single-player campaign for Dawn of War, Dark Crusade.
Today the enemy shall know fear. My faith is my shield. Confirm. What would you have me do? Confirm. I shall not fail. I shall not fail. I serve mankind.
Scouts reporting
I shall
for
not
duty.
fail. We are united in his service. Confirmed. For the honor of the chapter.
Scouts ready. Strategic point identified. Scouts reporting. Scouts awaiting orders. Strategic point identified.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
What is your will? Here to serve. With all due haste.
What would you have me do? Beware their trickery! My aim shall not falter! No retreat! No surrender!
must not fail.
Position secure.
Trust in your war gear!
Yes, most beneficent one.
Position secure.
With all due haste, here to serve. I exist to serve. Initializing build protocol.
Today the enemy shall know fear. Praise the Emperor.
Area secure. At your command. Infiltrating enemy
He who
territory.
stands with me shall be my brother.
Here to serve.
Defending objective.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Marine squad deployed. Fear denies faith. Taking damage.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic. He who stands with me shall be my brother. We are united in his service.
Here to serve. I will do as you ask.
Area secured.
Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask. With all due haste.
Scouts awaiting orders. Strategic point identified. Strategic point identified.
Yes,
Taking
Lord.
damage. Yes, my lord. Cleanse. Purge. Kill.
Yes, most beneficent one. With all due haste.
Position secure.
Yes, Lord. I shall obey. Build routine 721 initiated.
Defending objective. Yes, my lord.
Yes, most beneficent one. With all due haste. Yes, Lord. Build routine 721
This day shall be a
initiated.
glorious one for the Imperium.
Area secured. Scouts here. Infiltrating enemy territory.
I await your instructions. Here to serve. I will do as you ask. Yes, Lord?
I have
I
awoken.
will do as
Even in
you ask.
death I still serve.
What is your will?
The enemy is attacking!
Scouts awaiting orders. Strategic point identified. Infiltrating enemy territory.
Yes, most beneficent one? I will do as you ask.
At your command. At last, back to war.
Area secured.
Yes, most beneficent one? I will do as you ask.
I am ready to serve. Again. I am ready to serve.
Position secure.
I am ready to serve. Again. I am ready to serve. Again.
Yes, Lord? Initializing build protocol.
The enemy is attacking!
Yes, my lord. Position secure. Search commencing. On patrol.
Faith is eternal.
My faith is my shield.
Yes, most beneficent one? I will do as you ask. I await your instructions. Initializing build protocol.
Area secured.
I have awoken. Command me.
Fire!
I will crush those who stand before me.
What would you have me do? For Terra! Space Marines! Advance!
Faith is eternal. I will be there soon. At last, back to war. Faith is eternal.
What would you have me do?
Faith is eternal.
much of the Dark Crusade, great fleets plied the orbital lanes above the battlefields of Cronus, using their firepower to ground long-range flights. Guardsmen and heretic alike had to fight meter by bloody meter, with great battle fleets exchanging fire across the skies. Trench warfare seemed an immutable fact of life for commanders on the ground. All this changed with the Battle of Pavonis. This spaceport featured an ancient Adeptus Mechanicus tracking system merged with the alien technologies of the Tau Aircast. This system was sensitive enough to plot courses that avoided orbital fire, making strikes deep into enemy territory possible. A tech priest had discovered this technological marvel and left his servitors to examine it in detail. Whichever force was able to recover these bionic servants would gain control of the station and be able to launch strikes across Cronus.
The Emperor protects. Follow my lead.
Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated.
Scouts reporting for duty.
One of the tech priest's
Strategic
servitors.
point
Bring it to our
identified.
stronghold. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. For terror. For terror. Well done,
Scouts
brothers.
reporting
We've
for
safely
duty.
recovered a servitor. We will need more to bring the spaceport back online.
What is your will, your instructions? I will do as you ask.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Yes, Lord.
Defending objective.
With all due
Scouts
haste.
awaiting orders. I sense danger. We will root it out.
One of the tech priest's
Scouts reporting
servitors.
for duty.
Bring it to our stronghold. On
Instructions.
alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. For the honor of the chapter.
Area secured. Yes, my lord. Search commencing.
Yes, Lord. Here to serve.
Well done, brothers. We've safely recovered a servitor.
He who
We will
stands
need
with
more
me
to
shall
bring the
be my
spaceport
brother.
back online. One of the tech priest's servitors. Bring it to our stronghold. We shall know no fear. For the Emperor. For terror.
Yes, my lord.
Taking heavy fire.
The enemy is in our sights.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Scouts awaiting orders. Gathering intelligence. Commencing infiltration. On patrol.
Well done, brothers. We've safely recovered a servitor. We will need more to bring the spaceport back online.
I will do as you ask.
Well done, brothers.
I
We've safely
await
recovered a
your
servitor.
instructions.
We will need more to bring the spaceport
This
back
shall be a
online.
glorious one for the Imperium.
At your command.
The enemy is attacking.
Scouts advance.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Scouts advance. Scouts advance. Commencing infiltration. We will move ahead and mark
Yes,
any
Lord.
enemy positions.
Yes, most beneficent one. With all due haste. I await your instructions.
Yes, my lord. Strategic point identified.
Taking heavy fire.
Attack! Scouts awaiting
Walk
orders.
softly, then carry a big gun.
Scouts in position.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Scouts awaiting orders.
Here to serve. Initializing build protocol. Build routine 721 initiated.
Defending objective.
Yes, Lord. I will do as you ask.
At your command. Gathering intelligence.
My faith is my shield. The Emperor protects.
At your command. At your command. Infiltrating enemy territory. Scouts in position.
Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
The enemy is attacking!
Beware the alien, the mutant.
Yes, most beneficent one. I shall obey.
Position secure.
Yes, most beneficent one.
I have command me. Take me into battle.
Taking heavy fire!
Yes, most
I have a
beneficent
woman.
one. With all due haste.
Scouts ready.
My faith is my shield.
Faith is eternal.
Take heed, brothers. The enemy is gathering servitors as well.
Taking heavy fire!
Praise the Emperor.
I am ready to serve. Again,
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
I am the instrument of his will. To me, my brothers, I have awoken. I am the instrument of his will. I am the instrument of his will. To me, my brothers.
One of the tech priest servitors. Bring it to our stronghold.
Yes, my lord.
I await your instructions.
At last, back to war.
The enemy is attacking!
One of the tech priest servitors. Bring it to our stronghold. Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Command me.
Taking damage! Taking damage!
What would you have me do? One of the tech priest servitors. Bring it to our stronghold.
I shall end you.
Speeder deployed. Land speeder here. has arrived.
Command me.
Land speeder here.
Taking damage.
We bring his will.
One of the tech priest servitors.
Moving out.
Bring it to our stronghold. He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Initializing build
Land speeder
protocol.
deployed. Land speeder ready for backup.
Fate is eternal.
Land speeder here.
Take heed, brothers. The enemy is gathering servitors as well.
I am the instrument of his will.
Well done, brothers. We've safely recovered a servitor.
At last,
We will
back
need more to
war.
bring the spaceport back online.
To me, my brothers.
Under fire.
Take heed, brothers. The enemy is gathering servitors as well.
Land speeder here.
Taking damage. The enemy fights back.
Yes, my lord.
Take heed, brothers.
Infiltrating
The
enemy
enemy is gathering servitors as well.
Even in death, I still serve.
The Emperor is with us, brothers. Victory is ours.
The heretics will suffer the ultimate punishment.
Take...
For chaos. Fall back and regroup. Let's get out of here.
Yes, most beneficent one.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Scouts reporting for duty. In position. Strategic point identified. Scouts reporting for duty.
What is here to serve?
At your command.
Beware the alien, the mutant.
Scouts reporting for duty. On patrol. Strategic point identified.
Here to serve.
Defending objective.
Initializing build protocol. I await your instructions.
Defending objective.
I will do as you ask.
Scouts here. Scouts ready. Position secure.
Walk softly and carry a big gun. We are united in the service. Confirm.
At your command. Strategic point identified. Scouts in position.
Here to serve.
The enemy is attacking.
Initializing build protocol.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Yes, most beneficent one. Yes, Lord.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium. Take that!
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated. Yes, most
Position
beneficent one.
secure.
I will do as you ask.
Beware the alien, the mutant, the heretic.
Under fire!
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby. For terror, we shall know no fear. Agreed. Faith
Defending
and
objective.
duty. We are united in his service. My aim shall not falter. I shall not fail.
Yes, Lord. I await your instructions. I will do as you ask. Yes, Lord. With all due haste.
Scouts here. Strategic point identified.
Taking haste!
This day shall be a glorious one for the
I
Imperium.
await your instructions. With all due haste. Initializing
What
build
is your
protocol. Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol. Yes, Lord. Build routine 7
Defending objective.
initiated.
My faith is my shield. Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Under fire!
Area secured.
Marine squad deployed us to the enemy.
Yes, Lord. Here to serve.
The enemy is attacking!
Build routine 721 initiated.
My faith is my shield. No retreat! No surrender!
Land speeder here. Death has arrived. We will destroy the enemy. We will destroy the enemy.
Yes, Lord? I will do as you ask. Yes, most beneficent one?
Carry on without me.
The Emperor protects. Agreed.
Scouts here. Scouts awaiting orders.
Here to serve. I will do as you ask.
Praise the Emperor.
Yes, most beneficent one? With all due haste.
Yes, my lord.
What would you have me do? He who stands with me shall be my brother.
The enemy is attacking!
Rhino transport deployed. Rhino ready.
The enemy is attacking!
Land speeder here. We will destroy the enemy. We bring his will.
Beware the alien. The
I
mutant.
have
Marine squad deployed!
Even in death, I still serve.
Faith is our shield.
Land speeder here.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Land speeder ready for battle.
Marine squad deployed. We are the Emperor's chosen. Fear denies faith. Fear denies faith.
I have awoken. Even in death, I still serve.
Direct us to the taking heavy fire. Awaiting orders.
Rhino ready.
Fear denies faith. We are the Emperor's chosen.
Yes, most beneficent one? Build routine 721 initiated. Yes, Lord?
Marine squad deployed. Awaiting orders. Faith is our shield. Awaiting orders. Heresy grows. Taking damage.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Never vigilant.
Land speeder here. The machine spirit is prepared.
At your command, Heresy grows. Orders received. Initiating attack protocol 23.
Command me. Burn, heretic.
Faith is our shield.
Rhino ready. We carry the virtue. We deliver into battle.
Fall back! The enemy is attacking!
Yes, most beneficent one. Yes, most beneficent one.
Taking hits! Taking heavy fire! Marine squad deployed. Faith is our shield. Death from above. What's your order? Kill! To the skies! Death from above for the Emperor! What's your order? To the skies! Engaging the enemy. Fear denies faith. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium.
I have
Yes,
awoken.
most beneficent one.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Direct us to the enemy. Death from above. What's your order? To the skies. Taking heavy fire. Attacking as ordered.
Eliminating targets.
Fall back! What's your order? Moving out.
I am ready to serve again.
Never vigilant. To the skies. Initiating attack protocol 23.
I command to eliminate
Fear denies faith.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Praise the Emperor and strike down his foes. They will die this day.
I have awoken.
Taking heavy fire.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
I await your instructions.
I am ready to serve again.
We are the Emperor's chosen.
Even in death, I still serve.
I am the Emperor's will. Make your years.
Marine squad deployed.
Faith is eternal.
Yes, most beneficent one.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Stay vigilant, brothers.
It is better to die for the Emperor than live for yourself.
Taking hits!
The Emperor protects.
Strike them down with all your
Here to
might!
serve.
Marine squad deployed. Direct us to the enemy.
Yes, Lord. Initializing build protocol.
Demons and heretics will fall before us.
I am the instrument of his will.
Your wise counsel belies your years.
Demons and heretics will
Faith
fall
is
before
eternal.
us. They will die this day!
What is your here to serve? Initializing build protocol. Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask. Initializing build protocol. What is your will?
Your wise counsel belies your years.
Heresy grows from idleness.
At last, back to war.
I command in the name of the Emperor. On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
The enemy is attacking!
With all due haste. Here to serve. I will do as you ask.
I am ready to serve. Again. I will be there soon. Identifying targets.
Is yours when it is unquestioned.
All ships fear the Emperor's wrath!
Once a thriving industrial center, by the beginning of the Dark Crusade, the Vandian coast had fallen into disuse. Some factories in the cities were still operational, but other great underground refineries languished under the sands of the coast, long since abandoned as unnecessary by the planet's Tau masters. Whoever gained control of the coast would enjoy a powerful advantage for the rest of the Crusade. With such potent manufacturing facilities, field commanders could requisition more weapons than their foes.
I will purge the unclean.
Yes, Lord.
Scouts reporting for duty.
Initializing
Yes, my
build
lord.
protocol.
The Emperor protects.
Scouts
For
reporting
the
for duty.
Emperor.
What is your will?
Today
The
the
enemy
enemy
attack
shall
at
know
their
fear.
I am ready to serve. Again.
What would you have me do?
The enemy is attacking!
Scouts awaiting orders.
I await your instructions. Yes, Lord.
Defending objective.
Initializing build protocol. Initializing build
At your
protocol.
command. Infiltrating enemy territory.
I am ready to serve.
Walk
Again.
softly and carry a big gun.
Command me. I shall end you. Die! Die! Die!
Defending objective.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
I await your instructions.
Beware the alien, the mutant.
I am the instrument of his will.
Today the enemy shall know fear.
Enemy secured.
The enemy is attacking!
I am the instrument
On
of his
alert,
will.
brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated. Here to serve.
Command me. To me, my brothers. I will be there soon.
Yes, my lord. Infiltrating enemy territory.
Today the enemy shall know fear. By my command, attack! By my command, attack!
Command me. I will
Marine
purge
squad
the
deployed
unclean.
at your command. Fear our wrath.
Here to serve.
Scouts in position. Strategic point identified.
Here to serve. As you wish.
Marine squad deployed. Faith is our shield. Onward to glory! Stay vigilant, brothers. Fear denies faith.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Command me. Identifying targets.
He who stands with me shall be my brother.
Ever vigilant. Fear our wrath.
Defending objective.
We are the Emperor's chosen. Fire! Claim it in the
I
name of
am
the
ready
Emperor.
to serve. Again. To me, my brothers. Burn, heretic.
We stand ready. Awaiting orders.
Scouts awaiting orders.
Yes, Lord? I will do as you ask.
I am the instrument of his will.